Space. Space is gonna be a one prime commodity in the future. With Cebu booming's real estate, space has become more expensive. So today I'm here in Mandaue City for the groundbreaking of Cebu's first storage town. So it's a storage facility where people can put their things so that they can have more space at home, more space in the office, and more space in their life. Guys, let's check out the groundbreaking of StorageTown here in Sacris, Mandaue City.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going green by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering the walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me.
So hi guys, I'm here with Chase Cokaliong, the president of StorageTown Inc. Why did you decide to open the first ever storage facility here in outside Manila?
Right, so the main reason why we opened StorageTown is because cities like Mandaue, Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, and Talisay have, over the years, have become very highly urbanized. If you know this, if you're from any of these cities, when you look outside the window, when you're driving to work, driving to school, driving home, you can notice so many constructions going on, especially condominiums, office buildings, apartments, everything. So this means that everyone's transitioning into living in the condominiums, like in Singapore, in the States, and anywhere. So with that, picture yourself living in the condominium, 20 square meters. You have lots of things. Where are you gonna put those things? You don't want to throw them away because we people were sentimental in nature. So you rent the storage space. You get it, you leave it there, it's yours forever for a low monthly fee. And if you're a huge business, you need space to keep your inventory, your files, your documents, to keep them safe. So you rent a medium-sized space from us. So keep your documents safe, your documents dry. So when you need them, they're there. They don't have to mess up your office. Same idea as with your house. When your baby's grown up, you want to keep those old cribs, old blankets, old toys for memory's sake, right? Or photo albums. So you store them in the facility, you come back years later, months later, they're still there. They're all yours without disrupting the tidiness of your house.
So let's reiterate now the 3 advantages of using a storage facility.
All right. First, tidy up your homes. Second, have a place to keep your sentimental items. Number 3, have space to keep your files and documents in a safe and dry place.
And finally, for as low as how much can someone avail?
As low as 1,000 pesos, you can rent a storage unit for a month that can fit up to 8 balikbayan boxes. That's 8 balikbayan boxes for only 1,000 pesos.
So there you have it, guys. A few months from now, in November 2019, Cebu has a new storage solution company that will offer storage solutions for individuals as well as for companies. So it could be as low as a locker that fits around 8 balikbayan boxes to something like 90 square meters. So this is gonna be an exciting development for Cebu. And what do you think, guys? Do you think you need to rent space? So watch out for this one. And thank you so much for watching Y Cebu's coverage. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and see ya.